Ethereum Classic against BTC. So for ETC, BTC, yeah, we're still in a downtrend. You know, we've been anticipating the possibility of Ethereum Classic heading towards the 0.618 golden retracement ratio. Hopefully we hit 0.618 and then we see some sort of a bullish reversal, right? So it's very important to respect the trend. As long as the trend is still bearish, we respect the trend because there could still be much more downside to come for Ethereum Classic against Bitcoin. You know, you don't want to switch buyers just like that. And you probably have heard this many times before. Do not catch falling knives. There are people who are knife catchers, and you might see them do well, but overall in the longer term of things, it is not a good idea because yeah, you just don't know how much lower things are going to go. And usually when you attempt to catch the knife, yeah, things can get really bad, right? So that's why the best way to put on a trade is when things are about to recover, you get in once you see the bullish momentum come in, not when things are falling and then you think, okay, this is the bottom. Yeah, surprise, we hit even lower, right? So yeah, so it's very important to be careful about going to a trade too soon. Ethereum Classic against USDT. Here we are. Yep, we're still within the confines of the falling channel. We still anticipate Ethereum Classic to drop lower to $14. This was a target that we had way back in January, right? 3rd of January. I think we published it on Twitter as well. TTDC. Skinny Moon Hunter. Yes, sir. Potentially much more downside for ATC. We said this on the 4th of January. When things were still here, we already anticipated the possibility of Ethereum Classic dropping to $14. So seems to me like we could be heading much lower for Ethereum Classic against USDT. We'll probably get some sort of a consolidation over here. Maybe you could argue this is something like a symmetrical, right? And then we head lower. Could we still see some sort of a rally? Yeah, sure, of course, for sure. But yeah, we're anticipating the 0.618 golden retracement ratio to be taken out. And this will be at around sub $14. We are at $24, so it's another $10 more to go for Ethereum Classic. So be careful about going into a trade too soon for Ethereum Classic.